Decided to put on some music today just to break the monotony of the silence. But anyway, we're back at it. Actually, let me hide OBS. Gosh dang it. Alright, I'll just put that in front. Okay. Oops. Alright, we're listening to the Super Tempo soundtrack. I was trying to get some inspiration from that game, because I think I eventually want to try and use that game. The game's kind of like art style. Is what I want to use for that. But anyway, on today's agenda, I'm going to be trying to do some copying abilities and maybe something else. So what I want to do first, I want to make an enemy that has an ability. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let me just bring this over here so I don't have to keep clicking over there. And this is going to be Firefly. Har har har. So I'm going to make this kind of a red fly. Alright. It's a firefly. And he's going to have the same behaviors as the flying fly. Let's see here. Well, maybe not actually. I actually have a behavior I want to do for him. Okay, let's just make a new group here. Okay, Firefly. And I'm just going to straight copy all these events, throw them down here, and just change them all. La da da da, la da da da. Got some nice cheery music here while we do mundane things here. Gonna have to edit that manually. Ugh, don't do that. Yeah, right here. Alright, yep. Alright. Now, if all goes according to plan, this fly here should act exactly the same as our flying fly. So let's take a look and see. Oh yeah, there's the annoying flies. Oh yeah, there they are. There it is. Wait. I don't think I added the ability to swallow the fly. Actually, yeah, let me try. I don't think it can swallow the other fly. I might have to add that. Oops. Yeah, there he is. Well, I can't even reach him. Okay. Yeah, let me change this. Yeah, anyway, sorry about that. Alright, where's the part where he gets eaten? Where did I add that? Oh, here, this is it. Yeah, I need to change this and add this here. Yeah, this is what I need. Except I need to change this to the flying fly. Okay. Did I change that? Yeah. Okay, now let's add this to this. And we'll do the firefly. Okay. I'll get rid of this egg eventually. The difference here is that when I get eaten, I'll set full to 2. Because I don't want it, when he spits it out, if I keep it at 1, it's going to spit out a regular fly. I want him to spit out a prop firefly. Prop fire flu. There we go. Alright. Where did I put the prop flu? I'm pretty sure it's right here. Yeah. Yep, I'll have to use this. don't even need this one. What am I doing with this one? But yeah, prop that. Prop that. Change that. Change that. Have to change this to that. Yep. Right. Ah. Okay, then set full to 2. Right, full of 2, okay. This is where it's gonna have to use the, actually, no, cancel that. Create this at 0, -6. There we go. Okay. First, let me just move this guy a little bit down so I can actually get him. And let's just see if this works. Yeah, when these guys fly around, let me fly away. Alright, let me get this guy. Oh, wait. He doesn't actually spit. Ah. What did I do wrong? I just have to do that, right? Nope. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's better. Oh, I accidentally pooped him. Oops. Okay. Did I already say what happens when I didn't. Why didn't I do that? Yeah, it should be collides with background. Okay. Okay, so that's all good and well. But I want to create... Oops, what am I doing? I want to create a new object. This is where the fire is going to come in. I'm going to have him shoot fire. Sounds cool, right? It's going to be cool. That's some dopey looking fire. That's more like it. even worse. I don't know why I'm so concerned about the images here. It's placeholders, like I said. Okay, here's my fire. And I'm actually going to create a new one called Life, because I don't want it to last forever. Actually, I need to do this first, too. Okay. Anyway, the fire... yeah, life, if it's lower or equal to 0, destroy it. Sorry, my mind was blank there. I think I'm going to just set this to 50. And just say, every moment subtract 1 from life. Yep. Pretty much what I wanted. Alright. Now, this is going to be temporary right here, but I'm just going to put this in tongue for right now and say, repeat while fire 1 is pressed, and say every 15 or so. The frog is going to launch a fire. At about a speed of 25. How about that? So... Okay, that's spitting fire. Should probably just reduce the life a little bit on the fire, maybe to like 40. Yeah. Oh, let me change. I want the fire to destroy the flies. So let's add that. Let's add a splat to the fly. Yeah, just destroy it. Just flat out destroy it. So if yeah, I'm a fire-breathing frog now. Die, 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 die. Okay. Alright, good. I'll just do this for the other ones. Alright. And then last but not least, the firefly. Alright. Yep, put that on the firefly. Okay. Alright, so now we're a fire-breathing frog who can destroy all the flies. Oops. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Revenge. Oh wow, that guy doesn't even get destroyed. It's because it's in the wrong object, dummy. Okay. Okay, so like I said about the being temporary last time, what I'm gonna do is I was gonna do abilities. So I'm actually gonna make a copy of this frog. We're gonna say fire frog. Alright. And the fire frog is gonna be bright red. Oh my lord, what is that? That's some catchy music, huh? Alright, this guy is gonna actually start invisible. And then all the way up here, yeah. This guy's gonna stay there. What am I doing? What am I testing? Nothing. So, oh yeah, this is how I was planning to do this. I'll have a new event called, what was I gonna call it? Ability. And I was gonna have I was actually gonna put a global event called player ability. Defaulted to 0, which is just normal. Yeah, so if player ability equals 0, and only one action would have been loops, because I don't want to just run all the time, obviously. It wouldn't be very good. We'll say player ability is 1. Okay, so if the player ability is 1, we want to keep the movement, keep the animations. I'll have to move these over. Alright. We're gonna disable tongue. Okay, so deactivate tongue. Right. Actually, I'm going to deactivate both instances of tongue, which is odd. Why am I doing it that way? But okay. And then we're going to make this guy invisible, and then make this guy disappear. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, but that actually poses a problem. I'll deactivate this for now. I'm just going to deactivate this for now. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it's like that. Alright, now what I want to happen, actually when this is back, I want this to activate tongues. Anyway, what I want to happen is when I swallow the firefly, instead of creating an egg, I want to change the value of ability to 1. So that way it's going to know that I'm now the fire frog. Which, yeah. Hopefully I don't accidentally kill the fly. No, I missed. Pfft, got away. Let's try that again. I killed him by accident. Okay. Now if oh no, I messed it up. I accidentally spit out the fly. Got him. And now if I press down, alright, now I'm the fire frog, but I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's change this fire power to activate only when I'm the fire frog. So instead of tongue, I'll have a new group of events called fire ability, and this is where the fire is going to go. So instead of just being in tongue, or wherever the hell I put it. Oh yeah, this is it. It's gonna go in here. Okay. And just for the sake of it, let's have this activate. Well, not just for the sake of it, I'm going to have it activate. But anyway, this is going to have to... it's going to have to start inactive. Yep. Okay. So now, if I swallow... So right now I'm just regular frog. I can eat the flies all I want. But if I swallow the firefly... Nope, swallow him. Now I'm the fire frog. And, well, I can still shoot my tongue, but now I can shoot fire too. What the heck's up with the tongue? I'm not supposed to be able to do that. Not supposed to be able to do that. Yeah. Okay, there. That should be better. Alright, so now I can eat this fly and get his ability. Get you damn flies. Ah, dang it. I suck at my own game. What? There. Alright, now I can shoot fire. Yep, there I can shoot fire now. Ah. Okay. Actually, let me just add something to make this more consistent here. Change this to tongue. And launch. This actually should be launching from here, not the other one. But anyway. Oh, wait. I can just do this. Okay, I just wanted to do that so he'll open his mouth when he shoots the fire. Just so it'll look a little bit more realistic. God dang it. No. Oh man. Oh, I got him. See how he opens his mouth now? Nice. Okay. Yep, so now I'm the fire frog. I can shoot fire all over the place. Yep, good. What was I gonna do next? Oh, I was gonna have the fly shoot fire at the player. Right. Um, I do want to have another. I want to put a behavior on this guy. He already has a behavior. Okay. And I'll say, I don't want this guy to like buzz as much. Yeah, I don't want his buzzing to be quite as dramatic. What? Where did he go? That should be -2. Okay. Does that fix it? Yeah, I want him to just kind of like buzz like that. Just a little bit. Not that much. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, what was I gonna do? Oh man. Oh, my back. My back. My back. Alright. La 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 da 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 da. Right. So, the AI. Oh, I know what I was gonna do. I wanted to change the way I'm doing the collision detection for the flies, because before I was trying to get them to move only when you get close to them. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do about this. How big is that? Not big enough. Still not big enough. What if I just make 256? What the heck? Oh. There you go, that's big enough. And I'll say, I'll call this the aggro range. And I'll just have this big box that goes on the top of the frog. I don't need it to use fine detection. Yep, this will be the same thing as this one. Alright, so instead of these guys just getting close to the edge, I'm gonna say if they collide with that big box. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now you can see they're sitting there. I get close to them, and they do nothing. Okay, that's a problem. That is the idle fly, right? Yeah. Well, let's see. Idle fly, collision between. What if it's overlapping? Maybe that was the problem. What? Excuse me? Excuse me, sir. Why aren't you doing anything? Yeah, see, it's... What? It's touching the fly. Oh, you know why? Because it's in the wrong effing layer. What the heck? And also the hotspot should be in the middle here. For some reason it was up in the corner. Okay, alright, now let's just set this back to invisible. And then we can try, yep, there we go. So I get close and they attack. Get out of here. Oh, nice. See, I can just eat this guy. Get my firepower. You get them all. Alright. Alright, cool. The reason I changed that first is because I wanted to use this big box and apply it to the Firefly. Well, first of all, let me just make this a little bit bigger, actually, because it was still a little bit small. I'm feeling 312 for some reason. I don't know why, it just seems like a good number. Okay. Alright, now let's do the same thing for the Firefly. And I'm going to add it right here and say if this Firefly is overlapping that and the behavior is 0, so if it's just default behavior, yeah, behavior 0. And then it's going to attack or set the behavior to 1. That's the behavior 1 implies that it's attacking. So yes. Actually gonna change this and set it to that. And I'm gonna have to also do one for the X velocity. Okay. Wait a minute, I'm confusing myself here. Was I trying to... Okay, these two are only going to be if it's in behavior 1. Okay, I'm kind of getting back on track here. Not behavior 1, behavior 0. Okay. That means I'm going to have to copy values from here. delete these. There's some funky techno music right there. Gets me in the mood. Alright. Did I set this to, actually, yeah, it should be. Oh, actually, you know what? This actually should be on behavior 1. I shouldn't have deleted that. Otherwise, it's gonna go crazy, like normally. Alright, there, I caught it. I almost got a crazy glitch if I didn't catch that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, alright, so once it sets to behavior 1, it's gonna look like in front of you. So if it is behavior 1, it's gonna look, I need to make that invisible somehow. It's gonna look like 100 and negative 6 in front of you. Okay, I'm just gonna test this and see what this does. But if I did this right, the fly is gonna go by and then attack. Come at me, coward. Okay. Get out of here. Okay, now let's see this fly. Okay, so if he comes near me, he's gonna get pissed and fly away. That's not right. Oh, it's probably just because of this. Yeah. This should be because of behavior 0. Okay, now it should be better. Just attack all these guys first. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so he sees me, and now he's gonna fly in front of me. And he flies around kind of erratically. And I'm kind of like, I'm locked in epic combat right here. Get him. Got him. Yeah. And then I can breathe fire. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna use this attack count. So I'm gonna say not only look at him, but also add to the attack count. And then I'll say if the attack count equals 50 or something, or maybe not 50, maybe like 80. Yeah. This guy's gonna launch a fire. In that direction. At a speed of about maybe 20. And then his attack counter is going to set back to not 0, but a random range of either 10 to 50. That way it's more like random. Okay. Actually, let me change one thing. Instead of 3, I'm going to make this 2. Just so he's not flying around crazy. Ah! I fell. Okay, I can just get rid of all these guys. Okay. Alright, here comes the fly. Oh, he's So he committed suicide with the fire. That means I have to distinguish between friendly and enemy fire. Okay, yeah, there's my fire. Why is this in layer 3? Should be in 2. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to make 2 fires, 2 different fires. One's gonna be friendly fire, and the other's gonna be enemy fire. Not just friendly fire. Okay. And I'll just have to do the same thing for these. Alrighty, so this guy's gonna shoot the enemy fire, not the friendly fire. He'll launch it at a speed of 20. Okay. Okay, now he shouldn't kill himself with his own fire. That was kind of stupid. Yeah, there we go. So now he flies around like that, shoots his fire. I can swallow him and then steal his ability. Alright. Cool. Oh, actually, let me add a button. Wait, first of all, let me just see what the controls were. The default controls. Button 1 is Shift, Control, Spacebar, Enter. I want to change these. Button 1 can still be Shift. I want button 3 to be X. Button 4 to be C. Okay. So if I press button 4, so if I have an ability and I press button 4, it's gonna set the it'll set the ability to 0. So that's how I can get rid of my my firepower if I don't want it. Alright, so let's go see. Alright, I changed it. Alright, so oh gosh, dang it. Okay. Okay, swallow him. I can breathe fire, and then I press C. I can switch back to my regular frog, but I can't switch back. That's the problem. Oh, actually, you know what? Don't put this here. Put this in the fire ability. And the reason is because I want to make like a power-up where you can switch back to your ability if you want. Yes, that's what I want to do. The controls are kind of awkward now that I changed it. Wow, these guys are freaking annoying. There we go. Frog, throw my fire, get rid of the ability. Actually, well, let me just do this at first. Here's what I'm going to do first. I'll just create this prop fire flu at the at this object. There. Now what that's going to do is once I get rid of the fire ability, it'll create a firefly on me. It'll be kind of the same as just like you regurgitated an ability. It'd have this same effect. Okay, I got it. There, see? I can swallow it and get it back. I'll do it over here just to show you again. See, comes out. Oh well, he died, but you get the idea. In fact, let's do that again. I can't actually swallow these guys yet, so I need to fix that. Okay, I eat them, shoot my fire, spit them out, I can eat them again, get them back. See? Simple as that. Okay. Okay. What else was on the docket? I don't know if I have anything else. I think what I was gonna do afterwards was, maybe in a while I was gonna do. I think on the next stream I'm gonna start doing the graphics, because I want to have something that looks presentable, so I can post it on TickSource. Yep. So I have AI. Ugh, man. I have AI. I have yeah, I have a basic game here. I just need to have the graphics next. Once I have some good graphics, I can oh, the sound's dead. The music's dead. Once I have some good graphics, I can start. The world will be my oyster from now on. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. You can tell I'm really proud of that effect. The lily pad changing direction when you sit on it. Do. Nice. Okay. Well, I started my stream with 0 viewers, and I'm ending it with 0 viewers. I saw a few people joined at some point, but then they left. Screw you guys. Actually, I don't know. I don't know who they were. Bow. I don't think I can actually hit this guy with a prop, can I? I got stuck in the lily pad there. I need to start using qualifiers, because that's what's going to let me use multiple props or apply the same event to multiple different types of objects. I'm dead. Stupid firefly, get out of here. Okay. Well, I think that's going to be the end of my stream. For now. Hopefully I'll be able to stream longer tomorrow. For anyone out there who's interested, who may watch this recording, because there's nobody watching my stream right now. But, that's it. See ya.